Is the sound on YouTube not working on your iPhone? This can be annoying, especially when you're trying to enjoy your favorite videos. Don't worry, in this guide, I will walk you through effective solutions to fix sound issues on YouTube. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check important audio settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Sounds and Haptics. Enable Change with buttons. Make sure to turn up the volume to the maximum level. Solution 2. Adjust audio. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility. Scroll down again. Now tap Audio and Visual. Turn on Mono Audio. Scroll down, make sure to set this audio point in the middle. Solution 3. Offload YouTube. Open Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out YouTube. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice. Note that this will not erase your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the sound works on YouTube. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube sound issue on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.